Hey guys, if you've got a boat trailer, eventually the winch strap is going to wear out. I just replaced mine with this 2-inch by 20-foot boat winch strap. And today I'm going to show you how to install it, launching the boat, and loading it back onto the trailer. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this so we could check it out. The first thing I noticed is how heavy duty this strap feels. It's made from marine grade webbing and has an impressive brake strength rated up to 18,000 pounds, making it suitable for everything from jet skis to larger fishing boats and pontoons. Installation is straightforward. I removed the old worn strap, fed the new one through the winch drum, secured it, and wound it up. The webbing rolls evenly and feels much thicker and stronger than the factory strap I replaced. The zinc-plated hook is a nice upgrade. It resists rust and corrosion, which is important when you're constantly around saltwater or wet conditions. I also like the spring-loaded safety latch that helps prevent accidental disconnects. At the boat ramp, the strap released smoothly while launching, no twisting, binding, or bunching up on the winch. After a day on the water, it's time to see how it performs loading the boat back onto the trailer. The strap pulled the boat onto the trailer effortlessly, and the webbing stayed flat, and the drum provided an excellent pulling strength. Overall, I'm really impressed with the boat winch strap. It's durable, easy to install, corrosion resistant, and gives me a lot more confidence when launching and retrieving my boat. If you're replacing an old trailer strap or upgrading to something stronger, this is definitely worth checking out.